Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Skylight calendar stuck on the logo, or the screen of your Skylight calendar may be frozen or not working. Then this video is for you because in this video I provide you the steps you need to follow to solve the issue. As you can see, these are the steps you need to try. First, power cycle. Unplug your Skylight calendar for 5 to 10 seconds. Then reconnect your Skylight calendar back on. Another option is wall outlet. Use a different wall outlet. The third option is correct power. Use the original skylight cord or adapter. Avoid third-party accessories. Remove extension cords or surge protectors. The another option, if needed, do a reset device. For that, go to your skylight calendar settings. Then go to advanced features. Then click on reset device. Then click on reset to unlink from the frame only. So, after your problem may be fixed. Thank you.